Good day, everyone. On behalf of Yidris Plumbing Service, I wish everybody, all the world plumber, happy Plumbing Day. Every 11th of March is World Plumbing Day, and today is 11th of March 2025. So happy World Plumbing Day from Yidris Plumbing Service. Plumbing is an important field in the life of every human being because without plumbing, sanitary are useless. Plumbing provides good and quality water. So it is an important for every family, offices, household to know the importance of plumbing work. Don't play with plumber. Plumbers are very, very important in everyone's life. Happy World Plumbing